Imagine every new team member knowing exactly what to do from day one, and the results they can achieve. No unnecessary talk, no guessing, just practice and real-life scenarios. Become an MLM Champion is a simulator you go through together with a candidate or partner. By entering real data and making decisions in the game, each choice shapes the outcome. The simulator shows potential income and guides the right steps to reach it. For a newcomer, it's a smooth start without chaos. For your team, a practical tool that's easy to duplicate. And the best part, your personal referral link is built in. Anyone who plays with you registers directly into your network. It solves 5 key problems: reduces newcomer turnover, saves hours of training, keeps candidates motivated, provides a ready-to-use growth system, brings in new people without extra pressure. Want your team to grow faster? Scan the QR code on screen or click the link below. Start right now.